Hello, welcome back to the channel. If this is the sort of content that you do like, please don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. Cheers. So what have we got this week? This week we're trying the new Bilt Hamber Touch On sachets. These are 30mm sachets and they're designed to give your car that hydrophobic protection. As you can see, I pre-washed my wife's car in preparation for this application of Bilt Hamber Touch On. So this is just a little bit of a before footage, just before we apply Bilt Hamber Touch On. As you can see, there is no protection applied to this vehicle. The water is flat, it sticks to all surfaces, and it's going to be a great before and after. Even the roof, you can see how the water just clings to the paint, nothing applied at all. So before we get on to applying the Bilt Hamber Touch On, there is various ways of applying this product. One, you can use a snow foam lance like myself, 30mm sachet into a full snow foam lance and apply. You can empty it into a bucket with 15 litres of water and put it on via wash mitt. You can also apply by trigger spray by again adding water to a trigger spray and the 30mm sachet and spray it on the car. If you was going to do it, I'd recommend the same way that I'm doing it through a snow foam lance. Better coverage. So here we go with the application. As you can see, as soon as it hits the bonnet, it starts to work. As you can see, it's repelling the water already. So you can see this is some really good stuff. As you can see, it's instant protection to your car. Just as you spray in the doors and all over the car, you can see it happening. So as we carry on applying the Bilt Hamber Touch On to the car, this seems to be the new craze from car cleaning manufacturers. You have the likes of Auto Finesse with Lavish, Auto Bright has Magiseal, Bilt Hamber obviously has the Touch On, as we're seeing here, Sam's Detailing, Ceramic Foam, and also Shiny Garage is also named Ceramic Foam. I think it's a great idea and a fast way of putting protection on your car. I can see this really coming to light in the winter months where you've got all the grit and the salt on the roads, and you just want to put a quick bit of protection on your car. So you would just give it a quick wash, make sure it's clean, and then go over with your recommended protection via snow foam lance. So as you can see, now we've applied Bilt Hamber Touch On and we're rinsing it off, straight off the car. The water behaviour is totally different. It just doesn't want to stick to the car. Bilt Hamber do recommend that you only apply this once a month, and if you are going to use it, the car must not be allowed to air dry. It needs to be towel dried. So here's just a little bead in shot of these tiny little beads. They're not perfect, but considering how the car looked in the first little bit, the water is a lot better. As you can see on the door, I was playing about with the hose, just watching the water fall off the car. So here's a little trick for you. How's this? Drying the whole bonnet with water. Just have a little watch and let me know what you think in the comments below. This is the other angle on the bonnet. So basically that's all I've got is the hose pipe with a nozzle on the end. Selected it to the shower setting, and I'm just going to go slowly at an angle across the bonnet. And as you can see, I take all the water off the bonnet, so there's no need to dry. As you can see, I'm just being a little kid at the minute. I'm just wetting the car. I'm trying to dry the side of the car, but the wing mirror's in the way. But fair play, this is a really, really good product, and I do rate it. Like I say, it's quick, it's easy to use, and obviously where I used a whole litre of water to the 30ml sachet, I didn't use the whole snow foam. I still probably had enough to coat another car. So in fairness, I won't be wasting it. When I come to do my car or another car, I will use it again. So there's no waste. And this shot here is just the following morning. We had a bit of rain in the night. And as you can see, the nice formed beads. And this is an after shot of the car, once washed, once supplied with Bilt Hamber touch on, dried. As you can see, it is a bit of a shine to the car. Really, really good. I can't fault it. But guys, thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing and liking the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.